Hey everybody, welcome to Education 763. It's all about math. Yay! I know some of you have taken classes with me before, so I'm sorry you're stuck with me again. But some of you, I know you are new, so welcome, and you are stuck with me now. And you will probably be stuck with me for more courses. So I'm excited to be back and be here teaching this class. I really like teaching this class about math because I get to share all my math jokes. You're gonna be welcome. So we'll get into some of those as the semester goes along. So just kind of a quick overview of our Blackboard page and your first couple of tasks that are due. I do not have everything open for y'all yet because I don't want to overwhelm you and there's no need for you all to work that quickly. So what's open so far, you'll see the home page, discussions. I don't think there's any discussions open yet. Some of these things you don't really need unless you need some help. There is the calendar of due dates posted, so you can click on that and open it here. You will, of course, have to right click. It happens every single time. It doesn't matter. Blah, 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 it happens. All right, so there's our calendar of what is due, and I will talk about the items briefly in just a second. All right, so that's open. You'll also see our introductory module. So intro, it's called Getting Started. Let's get this party started. You're welcome. I tried to be a little crafty and fun this semester. So this is where you will start. So if you're new to Blackboard, you will click over here. You can see everything that's open over here on the left, and then you'll just click on it and it'll take you to whatever is listed under that tab. So currently the intro getting started module is open. Module Ariel, yes, I named all the modules after Disney this semester, you're welcome. And then I also have this posted. You don't really necessarily need it, but just so you're aware, the college and career readiness standards are posted over here. There are the standards for ELA and the standards for math. I think they're from a couple years ago, but I think they're the most recent. Nobody really knows. All right, so anyway, you're going to want to start with the Intro Getting Started module. Okay, our syllabus is posted right here, so you'll be able to click on that. We'll talk about that in just a second. But what I really want to talk about before I get there, you will need to do an affirmation form for all your classes that you're taking here at Francis Marion. For me, you will need to submit one for 763 for this course, and if you're also taking 764, you will need to submit one for that course as well. So let me just show you really quickly. If you're new to Francis Marion, if you're new to Blackboard, first of all, here is a little video for you. You can just click on this video and it will walk you through exactly what to do, okay? It is from 761 over the summer, so I think some of you were actually in that course. So if you've already taken classes here, you know what you're doing. You don't need to watch that that video, but if you're new, again, just take a few minutes and watch this video, okay? So what you'll do for the affirmation form, it's easiest just honestly, anytime you see this little icon, that means it's an assignment, and it's easiest just to click right here. You could also click here as well, but it's really easiest, you just click here, you'll click here to download it, and again, watch the video, you'll initial it, blah, 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 save it, and then come back and browse local files to upload it. Okay, so that is your first thing. This is due by January 21st, so if I don't have it by then, you will be dropped from this course. All right, so again, if you don't know how to submit the affirmation form, watch this video first. If you are not new to Blackboard and to FMU, you don't need to watch this video because you've already been through it for a semester or a couple, two. Okay, so that's your first thing. And then the next thing is the intro to Flipgrid post. On my computer at home, there's a cute little picture of a puppy right here. It kind of looks like my dog, Georgia. It's not, but oh, there's two puppies, and one of them looks like Georgia. But so this will be also due January 21st. So you will just click right here is the easier way to do it, and it'll take you right to the Flipgrid post. But let me just show you, if you click here, what you'll see. So you'll see this external blah, 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 but go ahead and click it, because I'm showing you why. So here's the one that kind of looks like Georgia, but is not. When you go into Flipgrid, you need to make sure to join with Google, okay, with your g.fmarion.edu account. That is the only one that will allow you, for my classes, to post, okay? So make sure, that's why I showed you this. So make sure you join with your g.fmarion.edu account. It's free. If you don't already have an account, it's really easy to use, but that's why I wanted to show you that, okay? So you can also, of course, click right here and it'll say the same thing. So you will join with Google. All right, so let's talk about the syllabus for a few minutes. I'm going to go kind of quickly. I'm not going to go into super ton of detail for every assignment. I'll get to those as we get closer to each, individual assignments. All right, so of course it shows up like this. If yours shows up like this, you might need to click Enable Editing. So I'm doing that, and then I'm just going to click View just to make it easier for me to see. And then, of course, I'm going to enlarge it because, well, I'm old. So, all right, so here is the syllabus, okay, for Education 763. Email is the best way to reach me. I don't often check my phone, and I have 2 student teachers this year, so I will not necessarily be in the office all the time. So email me is the best way. The textbook, I strongly recommend the e-text access because there are some videos that you can only access if you have the e-text. If you already purchased the hardback, that's fine, but you only need one or the other. I think there might be some deal where the hard copy comes with an e-text, so you could do that. You could do the combination. You could do just the e-text, whatever you choose, but it is direct instruction mathematics, okay? So here are the framework. We always have to put this in every syllabus. All right, so the course is divided into 4 modules, not counting the intro getting started one, okay? So we have the intro getting started one, right? The let's get this party started. Then we have module Ariel, which is chapters 1 through 4, module Buzz Lightyear, which is chapters 5 through 10, module Coco, which is chapters 11 through 14, and module Daisy Duck, which is chapters 15 through 18. Because who doesn't love some Disney magic when they're taking a class about math? So for each of the 4 modules, again, I'm not talking about the let's get it started module, okay? I'm just talking about A, B, C, and D. You will have a quiz, which is a must-do assignment, okay, for each module. And then for each module, you will also have a choice of another assignment. And this is a would you rather assignment. Okay, so the would you rather assignments can be done individually, with a partner, with a small group. I know some of you who worked together in past courses enjoyed working together, and you are certainly welcome to do that as well for the would you rather. The must do, aka the quizzes, must be done individually, of course. Okay, so the intro module, as I said, contains the affirmation form and the intro flip grid post. So I just talked to y'all about that. So the flip grid, so first of all, you'll submit the course affirmation form into an assignment. Again, watch the video, and then you'll post an introductory Flipgrid post telling us your name, current job, what you hope to do upon completion of your degree coursework, and your favorite number and why. It's okay if you don't have a why, it's fine, but don't feel that you have to make one up, don't come up with some crazy story, but think about your favorite number because it will tie in with something later in the semester. Okay, and then so your must-do assignments for each module, again, quiz, 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 quiz. Okay, those are non-negotiable. You must do all 4 of those quizzes. I believe they are 10 questions each. I might add a few more questions. You never know. Sometimes there's some bonus points, extra credit on there. So you'll take those just right on Blackboard. After you finish with the module, you will do the quiz. So I don't feel that I really need to do a video for those. So for the rest of the would you rathers, as it gets closer, I'll do a video for each module's choices. Okay, I know that's a little confusing, but so for example, module Ariel, chapters 1 through 4, your choices are to watch an IRIS module or kind of work through an IRIS module, submit just the assessment questions, or to watch a Transition Alliance of South Carolina presentation and submit guided notes. This is a presentation that I was asked to give, and I have some guided notes that you can complete. So as you notice, all the would you rather assignments, individual, partner, or small group, okay, that is your choice. But remember the quizzes you must do by yourself, okay? Don't cheat. Santa sees you. All right, module Buzz Lightyear, you can do either learner accommodations and modifications in the mathematics classroom, which should be a Flipgrid post as well, or you could do a universal design for learning in math post to the discussion board. For module Coco, you will do a high leverage practices presentation into the discussion board, or a mathematics website's apps review that you will submit, as an assignment. And then module Daisy Duck, you will do one direct instruction demonstration YouTube link that is from the textbook, or watching some of the videos from the textbook. These are the videos that you can only access if you have the e-text. So if you want to choose this one, way down when we get to Daisy Duck, you might want to find a partner, that has the e-text. Okay, so here are some more thorough descriptions of the WYR. I have to think about that. So here are some more thorough descriptions. Again, I will do a separate video for, your module aerial choices. I'll do a video for that. Okay, then your module Buzz Lightyear. So it's either this one or this one, right? And I'll do a video for that. Okay, then there's a high leverage practices or the mathematics websites apps for module Coco. I will do a video for that. And then direct instruction demonstration or watching the videos, I will do a video for that, just so you know what's expected. But if you want to get a little more information about each of the assignments that are coming up as your choice assignments, you can, kind of read through this section. Okay, so here are some key due dates. If you are taking Education 764, I tried my hardest to stagger the due dates. I think it was possible everywhere except for week 15. So I did try my hardest to make sure you don't have things due for both classes. I believe everything is due on Fridays for both 763 and if you are taking 764. If you're not, don't worry about it. But the main thing to start with is the affirmation page and the Flipgrid post, okay? That's your and. Everything else is pretty much an or. So here's your Module A assignment. You're going to choose one, then you'll take the quiz. Okay, Module B assignment, you're going to choose one, then you'll take the quiz. Module C assignment, you're going to choose one, then you'll take the quiz, and you guessed it, Module D assignment, you're going to choose one, and then you'll take the quiz, okay? There is no final. Shh, don't tell. I just have 4 quizzes and those other assignments instead. It's out of 105 points. Yes, I know. I could have eliminated something and made it worth 100, but, I figured why be easy? So again, Flipgrid, your module aerial, your module A, choose one, module B, choose one, module C, choose one, module D, choose one, and then your quizzes. All right, so here are your course policies. Y'all pretty much know this. Don't email me your assignments. They just get lost, so that's really for your benefit. Make sure you are paying attention to the due dates in the syllabus and in Blackboard. And again, if I don't have your affirmation form by January 21st, you will be dropped. Okay, email, be respectful, all those things. Okay, just some other stuff. If you need any type of accommodations, let me know. And then here's the schedule. Of course, it's subject to change. We know we're still in the midst of who knows what. So fingers crossed that we all can kind of proceed, nicely and calmly through the semester. But just, be ready to change if we have to. All right, so again, January 21st is your most important deadline right now, affirmation form. And so that will be, remember, as an assignment into Blackboard and a Flipgrid post into Flipgrid. Okay, then you'll again choose your assignment, take the quiz, choose your assignment, take the quiz, choose your assignment, take the quiz, choose your assignment, take the quiz. So you notice you don't have something due every single week. So yay, you're welcome. No, in the past, these or assignments, they were not or. The students in the past, so don't tell anybody if you know anybody who took Education 763 in the past, they had to do all of these assignments. I know, see, y'all are welcome. I do look out for y'all. So that's the schedule, and then this is the form that you will submit, but you will do it right from Blackboard. This is just an example showing you what it looks like. All right, so that is the syllabus. Let me go back to Blackboard very quickly before my time is up. Again, you can find that right here under the intro, let's get this party started tab. Okay, so remember, so when you come on, it'll look like this. You can click right here. And here's everything you need to get started. Again, syllabus, affirmation form, you're going to click right here, submit it, and your intro to Flipgrid post, either access it here or here and log in with your g.fmarion.edu. And if you don't know how to submit videos or if you don't know how to submit assignments, go ahead and take a few seconds and watch this video right here. Again, remembering that it is from 761 over the summer. So don't pay any attention if there's any dates or any thing that you're like, what is she talking about? It was for another class, okay? I'm just trying to show you the basics of how to upload assignments. Okay, and then module aerial, the chapters 1 and 2, 3 and 4 are already open. The assignments and the quiz are not posted yet. All right, but the National Mathematics Advisory Panel, you want to start here. This is just kind of some background on direct instruction and some other stuff I want you to get familiar with. I do post PowerPoints with sound, and then also, which of course you can't see, Also just the regular PowerPoint. I would recommend watching it with sound, but that's just me. If you don't want to get any of the information that I give in the PowerPoints with sound, then just look at the one without sound. All right, and yeah, that's it. All right, so that is it for the Intro to 763, and I'll see you soon.